Okay, in this video I am again showing you the strategy that I showed you yesterday. In case somebody thinks that I was lucky yesterday, yeah, maybe it has to do with luck, who knows. But I'm one person who believes in practicing and preparation so that when you meet opportunities, you know what to do. And as you can see, my opportunities there, we broke through that level that was acting as support, and now we're dancing below it. For me, that's a signal that what we might be going down. This is volatility 75 index. You can watch the videos that I've posted on this channel as well after watching this video. The purpose of this video is not to brag or to make you feel like you don't know what you're doing or that I have all the answers. No, I don't. This is one probably of thousands of strategies that I've seen people using to make money with volatility 75 index as well as forex, bitcoin and stuff like that. So I am in no way suggesting that my way is the right way. No, I'm saying this is how I do it and it has worked for me. If you are using something else that's working for you, I am so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. But this is what works for me. Of course, there are people who are going to come and say that's not how you do it, that's not how you trade it. It's fine, but this is basically how I do it. So I've four trades there, and I'm just waiting for them to drop to a good level so that I can close the majority of the trades. Then I can just leave one trade and trail that trade and see where it goes. So what I like I explained in the previous videos is when I spot an opportunity, I go in big. Then when I see the money that I'm hoping for, I quickly get that money off the table. Then in case the trend or the price keeps going my direction, I just leave one trade running and I will trail that trade. That's basically how I trade. And this I'm just showing you as a scalping method. I usually do this with smaller accounts. This is a bigger account for me. For some people, 4,000, 2,000 is nothing. Well, for me, this is a big account, so I don't usually try to risk it on VIX because you can lose a lot of money. But I've also traded small accounts. What I would do in this situation then is to just place one trade, minimum lot size allowed by VIX 75 for me on that small account, and I will just hold it until it reaches the next zone. So the smaller accounts, well, if I lose $20, well, that's it. Luck was not on my side. But if I turn that $20 into $100, it's still also a good day. And you can do that with volatility 75. You can easily flip $20 into $100 like in a matter of hours. So with my big accounts, well, there's kind of a pain element to it. So I try to just aim for a target amount, get that man out off the table, and then leave maybe one or two trades to see how far it can go. Otherwise, I would have taken the money that I wanted off the table. So I'll be safe. That's I call it paying for the trade. So to pay for the trade, you open a couple of trades, and when they reach a certain amount that you're targeting, you take them off the table and you just leave one or two trades running. If anything goes wrong with those particular trades, at least you know you took some money off the table, and the money that you took off the table is able to cover those remaining trades if they go against you or if they don't pan out. So that's my approach. But otherwise, this is a simple strategy that I use for synthetic indices. I use it also to trade forex, cryptos. I think see the links in the description box below. But otherwise, yeah, just watching to see if I can get some money here. I've been seeing some rates there. Yeah, it'll be unfortunate to lose money when I'm like live on YouTube. Lose money when people are watching. But it's not a biggie. It's not a biggie to lose money. I think that's the other thing. Many people try to avoid losing money, of which you cannot avoid it in trading. You are going to have to lose money in trading, but it has to be money that you are comfortable losing. It's just that when you are like teaching people how you trade, and then boom, you lose money right in front of them, then it becomes funny. But I'm hoping that I don't lose these trades. As soon as I hit maybe 1,000, I need to close those trades, maybe leave one. But otherwise, let's see what VIX does. For now, I'm in profit. It's dancing around. That's the crazy part about VIX. And you can sweat your balls. You should not play with this stuff if your heart is not in the right place. You start sweating. You start sweating when you see your money getting taken from your account. But you see. I'm just hoping that we can. The the way VIX moves actually is that it pushes up and down, up and down, up and down, and usually before it goes into your profit, I promise you, it will test your patience. It will test you. See another surprise there. It will test you. It will test you. These things are not meant for the weak at heart or for the weak in mind. VIX will test you because it jumps up and down, and I'm on the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame. These are hourly candles. I love to scalp them. So you are going to be like tested for your patience. If you have no conviction with what you're doing, you definitely just jump in and close your trades when they are negative. And then when you come back later, you find that price eventually moved in your direction. So just bear in mind with that when you're trading VIX, they will test your patience. They will test your mind. They will test your resolve, your determination to hold on. So you just need to have an account with enough money to hold on to the drawdown. Have money enough to hold on to the drawdown that you might see. Otherwise, you just have to hold on and have an idea. Have an idea of when to get out. When to get out when the pain is too much. For me, I see now in some profit there. Let's see, please fix. Show me something. Um, okay, as we trade, as we talk, you must have a point where you say enough is enough. Let me get out. For me, that will be above that resistance line, that support that is just turned resistance. If we go back up there, for me, that's it. I cannot take it anymore. Then I would have to get out. But let's see what happens. I'm hoping for something here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music. By the way, like the video, like the channel. If you are looking for other tutorials, I've traded boom and crash around about the same strategy. Those videos are also on this. Yes, yes. Okay. Those videos are also on this channel. You can just go and watch those videos. So I just set my trailing firm. Let's see what happens. I am hoping that my trail stop doesn't get hit too soon. I don't know. I'll check this chart later, but you can also check this chart later. You'll probably find out that eventually the price dropped down to that support, and obviously we would have left a lot of money on the table, but would also have been safe. That's important. Be safe. Be safe. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. Don't be in the habit of wanting to take all the money that is being offered to you in the markets. That's how people turn profitable trades into negative trades. So don't be greedy. Take whatever you can take off the table. Then whatever happens, well, you might be painful that you left a lot of money on the table, but I see the price wants to come to my stop loss there. That's a problem with VIX. But anyway, I hope you learned one or two things in this video. We'll see what happens here, and I think if you watch these charts later, we'll see if price eventually dropped to our next level or if it reversed. Just check your charts. If you watch this video, just check your charts a little bit later after this. Yeah, otherwise, thanks for joining me and subscribing, liking the video. Some music.